Karan. Karan! Karan! Shut up.
That's all you do all day.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Zamira Imani back with another video, and today we're going to be making pizza. Alright, so you're going to need some of that dough, some of that pizza dough. You're going to need some of them mushrooms. You can use fresh ones or frozen. You're going to need some mozzarella cheese. And you're going to need some of that Parmesan cheese. Well, you don't have to use it, but we're using it. Pizza sauce. Some flour. That's a big container. Some ground beef. And last but not least, pepperonis. Okay, so you want to take your flour and you want to just spread it out on the table. I know I'm making it look crazy, but spread it out on the table. Put some on your hands, because it's going to help with your dough, spreading your dough out. Now, he's over there struggling, as always. But me, I'm getting into it. Meanwhile, he is over here rubbing it on his hands as if it's soap. Like, what are you doing? But once he gets the dough out of the bag, we can get started. Alright, so now you just want to try and stretch it as much as you can. Roll it out into a circle. And this took us a minute to do because it kept getting like little holes in it. And we was trying to stretch it, but it was not working. So, me being the smart person that I am, I had an idea. I decided to get the pizza pan and put the dough on there and spread it that way. Because that just seemed easier and it was going to have to go on there anyway, so why not? Alright, so here we are back at it again, trying to get it spreaded onto the pan. This was a little easier. We were still getting holes in the dough, but we figured it out. I was punching on that, John. I won't lie. I was punching on it because that just seemed to be working. So I was like, why not? Like, whatever's going to work, that's what we're going to do. So, I was being on it and then filling the holes in, and that's how it just went. Okay, so we finally got our perfect circle. Karan just kept filling the holes in because we're both Capricorns, so we're perfectionists. I had to clean it up because it was bothering me. I'm like, move this to the side now. Okay, so he kept filling the holes. I'm getting the pizza sauce opened up, and we about to get ready to spread this pizza sauce on there. I stir the pizza sauce up a little bit. Stir. I don't know. Whatever one you prefer. Anyways, whip that joint up. And we about to get ready to put that on there. Boom, boom, boom. Swish, swish, swish. So once you got your pizza sauce on there real nice, then you want to go in with your Parmesan cheese, and you just want to sprinkle some of that on top of the pizza sauce, or not. I mean, either way, it's going to be good. So you just want to sprinkle some of that. We was just debating to see, like, whether we wanted to put more or less or whatever. Then you want to get that mozzarella cheese, and you know what to do with it. Like, it's pizza. Come on now. Why his arm look like that? But you want to go on with that cheese and just spread it real good. Make sure you get all the corners, everywhere where the pizza sauce is, and just fill that joint up. Now we cooked our ground beef, and we're going to just put that on top. That's one of our toppings. Put that all around real good, real nice. So after you got the ground beef on there to your liking, you're going to go on with your next topping. Our next topping is pepperonis. So I gave him some, and I took some, and we just started spreading it out on there. Yummy. And here we go back with the perfectionist stuff. We had to put it a certain way because it has to look nice. Like, what? Open that bag of mushrooms up, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to just put it all around and make sure the pizza looks sturdy, okay? Like, it got to be a sturdy joint. Like, go on my Instagram, Zamira.Imani, and if y'all make a pizza, DM it to me because I want to see y'all pizzas. Like, make a sturdy joint. Watch, our joint gonna be sturdy. Okay, so we made this garlic butter to put on the crust. Yeah. So we had just warmed up some butter, and we put some garlic powder in it and mix that joint up. Get into it. Okay, so now that we finished everything, we gonna pop that bad boy in the oven. Now, we left it in the oven for 20 minutes. And look at that. That joint look good even before it comes out. But boom! And then we just gonna put that on there again. Just to, really get it in there. Let it soak in there. And it's going to be too good. Like, that pizza was really good. I will not lie to y'all. Like, y'all should really try it. I mean, y'all don't have to use the same toppings, obviously. But try making your own pizza. Like, it's really cheap and easy. And it was really good. Like, it was really good. So I got us some plates. I got us a knife so he can cut this bad boy and we can see what it's about, okay? He tried to play giving me the sloppy one. I said, oh no, I'm taking this one.
First, this shit is hot as fuck.
I think it's good. What you like?
That shit hot as fuck. I think I did a good job. I meant wait. Anyways.
Literally can't stand you. Ha 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 ha. Ground beef on pizza, not too bad.
I told you.